Hey guys, this is the program ChatGPT. I know you've heard of it before, and if not, that's okay too. I'm not trying to show you everything because it would just take too long. I should be able to show you the basics in 5 minutes, and you should be able to go from there. I'm just going to show you how to get around the screen real quickly. Okay, over here, obviously, my initials. It gives you more information about chat. Okay, over here, this opens up to show you all your previous chats. I'll close that. Right here, you can start a new chat. So the best way to work with chat is just to ask chat. Now, one thing that you can see is this area. It looks like a search bar, and in some ways it is, but you ask chat questions, okay? And so let's chat. What is ChatGPT? The thing is, if you're more clear on what you want, say more. I'm just saying, what is ChatGPT? I could also say, how does it work? How does it learn? How does it use in everyday life? Matter of fact, how does it work? Let's go for it. That's new, actually. So then it tells you exactly what it is. Now, it's up to you to scroll the screen later and check it out, okay? All I'm saying is that you can do a lot with chat. Anything, really, for the most part. And what I mean by that is you can do art. You can do writing, you can do math. I don't think you can do music, and if you can't, I don't know. So the whole point is, you ask chat questions, but it's up to you to actually take action. Now, it says down here, chat can make mistakes, and that's true. If you're doing a search on something, you may not even find it, or the information might not be correct, but don't let that stop you. And so, let's see here, what do people want to know? Let's ask chat. What's the most 5 asked questions? What? And you can spell it wrong. See, I spelled what wrong? Most asked 5 questions. But it's not just questions. You can lay out paragraphs of information and let chat decipher it. I did it with myself. I put a whole bunch of notes in there and said, tell me about Steph Wynn. And it did. It was beautiful. I loved it. I was like, whoa. And so I spelled what wrong. What are the most frequently asked questions? But I'm just saying most asked questions for ChatGPT. I don't have to put all that, but I'm just putting it in there. Let's see what it says. The 5 most asked questions. Okay, what are the most asked 5 questions or most frequently asked questions for ChatGPT? What is ChatGPT and how does it work? There's your answer right there. Can you help me write an essay, story, email, etc.? There's the answer right there. Can you help me debug code or write code? That's for developers. It's telling you the answer. What's the latest trends? What's the best way to learn? What's the best way to learn a skill? Lose weight, start a business. Okay. So those are the most frequently asked questions. And so it's up to you to just take this basic understanding. Okay, so I'm looking for a job. I live in Los Angeles, California. I have these particular special skills and see what happens, right? Ask chat to help you put a proposal for a business. Ask chat to help you write a resume. Anything to do with text, words, write a story, okay? Okay, let's just do something crazy. Okay, rewrite the short story, Jack and Jill, but they are rappers. I'm just saying, okay? And that's it. So I'm telling chat to rewrite it. It's going to write based on what it thinks what I want. Or not. And so what they did was, it's going to say mic check. That's funny. But anyways, I just said rewrite the short story, Jack and Jill, but they're rappers. And so it gave me a rhyme. That's crazy. Let me see here. Let me just read this real quick. Jack and Jill, the rap battle legends. Jack and Jill went up the hill, spitting rhymes with skill so ill. Chasing fame, stacking bills, trying to show they got the realest thrills. Jack dropped bars, flow so tight. Jill came in, snapping right. Crowd went wild, hands up high. Beat so fire, touched the sky. Slip, mic dropped. Jill kept going, never stopped. Jack got up, flipped the scene. Together they ruled as the rap dream team. Mic check, 1, 2, go. That was crazy. So the whole point, I'm not a rapper, I'm just saying. But anyway, people, this is as simple as it can get. Okay, so this guy just asked me what the square root of 25 was. I just said 5 because it divides by 5. So you can do math too. Or give me a simple algebra equation and answer. Boom. Okay, so it's just going to go ahead and give me an answer. So the whole point is you can do math too. You saw that it did a rap song real quickly, you know. So how about this? How about I'm going to do an image of a woman sitting at the beach drinking something. The whole point is I should be detailed. I should say it's a sunny day. How about me put that in there? Sunny day with creepy clouds. Okay. And whatever else I want. And let's say beach balls. Okay. So chat can also give you an image. Now, initially you can get it free. ChatGPT, you can pay $20 a month. I just pay the little monthly fee. They try to increase it, I'm gone. Because there's other places where you can get images. Now, all I said was an image of a woman sitting at the beach drinking something. Sunny day with creepy clouds. Chat decided to go ahead and make it this color and make it creepy with that. I didn't say put a face on the creepy clouds, but anyway, this will just give you an idea. And this is so simple. Okay, I need a business proposal, right? A business proposal for a taco shop. How about that? I'm just off the top of my head here, okay? All right, there it is right here, okay? We have the business proposal. If I wanted a taco spot for Taco Haven, it just gave a name, taco shop proposal, and it gives all the information right here. If you can see how simple this is, you can use this for emails, you can use this for books. When chat first came on the scene, I was getting irritated because it was like, no, you ain't taking my words. You're not getting credit for my words. And then I realized that ChatGPT put my words on steroids. Okay. So anyway, people, that's it. I'm going to put the website below, but that is all this is to it. You just go in and start messing around. Just start asking questions. Okay. That's where you start. All right. And that's about it. So yeah, people. So that's it. Okay. And yeah, you can do images in here too. Okay. How about one quick image? Sometimes if you say something like, if I say, give me an image of Kobe Bryant, it may or may not do it. Image of Kobe dunking. Okay. Might not do it. Dunking a ball in the snow. Might not do it. It'll give me a variation. The whole point is it may or may not know who Kobe is. I'm sure it does because it's read everything on the image. See, it can't do a Kobe Bryant, but it can do a likeness due to copyright images. Okay. Let me see what happened here. It didn't do nothing. Okay. You can't even do likeness, or you can't even do an actual Kobe. So it'll let you know. But there's other programs that you can. There's other AI tools where you can. This one is primarily for writing. Okay? That's all I got, people. I want to tap it out at 10 minutes. If you want to read some of this stuff, just pause it, go back. That's all it is. This is not complex. And if you have any problems, just ask ChatGPT. This is one of the main programs you're going to need with AI tools. There's a lot of them, but this is one of the main ones. Okay? Thanks, guys. Ooh. All right. Woo. This is light work.